Hello everyone friends, on Calibre. Today I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation on a laptop with images. To do this, you can go to the browser, but if you have a PowerPoint version, then just write PowerPoint here, yes. Since I didn't buy it, I just write here in Google PowerPoint, search online, and go to the site. Accordingly, go in, click Create a Blank Presentation. Well, you may already have a ready-made one. I'll start with an empty one. That's it. Well, to add images here, yes, click the Insert button. Something is buggy today. Rather, my computer is buggy, my laptop is more precise. So we click respectively the image. Here we choose an image either from this device, or we can find an image, well, stock, yes, or find an image on the internet. But I'm interested on this device. I choose accordingly the image you need from the device. That's it. And then it is put in the field. Well, that's how it is. I chose a GIF here. After that, arrange it as you need and then save the presentation via a file. Here, respectively, through share, yes, and copy and share the link. That's it. Well, if you bought a version of May PowerPoint, then you can save it to your computer, to a flash drive, wherever you want. That's all. Baylor was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.